How's it going everybody? Fifth video, and we're really starting to get somewhere. I've spent the last day or so prepping the engine bay, and I'm actually going to Gravitex the engine bay and the floor wells in the car before painting it, because you can also flatten Gravitex. So, but I just want it in there just for an extra layer of protection, just to try and stop it getting as bad as fast, and stop it when you're working on it and you get chips and then it all ends up all rusty and crap looking. So trying to stop all that. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that at the minute, so hopefully you enjoy. Hopefully this is a bit more upbeat as a video. So this engine bay obviously done, that was 2 nights ago we done that. I've just been really busy the last couple of nights, so I've not had a chance to do anything else, but that's obviously looking good. And I'm just started on the inside. I'm just going to start prepping the inside, but there's 2 things I still need to fix first. I need to brace up my steering onto the cage here, just because we're not using the standard brace anymore, and I've changed a bit that I've done in the back. My original plan for to brace up like the diff mount here was I had just a bar going for there down, and it just didn't look right. It just looked really terrible. So I've just went ahead, got this bit of tube, bent it into shape, and I'm just going to go ahead and get that welded in. Albeit I've just done inside these turrets with the stone guard, so it's probably going to burn that off. But I didn't like the look of it. I just think that looks far better, so I'm going to go ahead and get that welded in, and probably need to stone guard the inside of the turrets again, and then start prepping for painting here. How's it going everybody? I have no really done much the last couple of days. The car's just about good to go. Just get the inside painted and engine bay painted. I'll quickly show you that in 2 seconds, but I'm just waiting. So I'm basically just waiting on Alistair getting some stuff sorted before he gets this painted. I think he's going to paint the engine bay and the inside tomorrow. Obviously that's what he does, so I'm as well just letting him do it than me doing it. I painted the engine bay and that before on the car, but it was passable, but it wasn't great, so I'd rather just let him do it and it'll look a little better. So he's going to do that tomorrow. I think tomorrow, pretty sure it said tomorrow. I'd just like to do some painting that from. I think we're just doing grey inside an engine bay, and I don't know yet what colour we're going to do the outside of the car. If any of you guys have any good ideas on colours, you can let us know in the comments, or still stuck on colours. I like it white. I've always liked the car white, but I think it's a really safe option, and loads of them are white, so I quite fancy something different. But I don't know. There's a couple of colours that I'm thinking of, but we'll see where it goes. Obviously if I change colour, it's quite a bold move, I would say, just because everybody already knows the car the way it is. But we'll see what happens. But obviously if any of you guys put in any input to it, I'll obviously consider that and see if any of them are a good idea. We'll maybe go with that as well. So I don't know, kind of stuck there, but I'm just waiting basically till the car's painted, and then I can start getting rebuilt again. I can't wait. There's also a track day on the 18th of this month, November. I'm trying to convince Alistair to go to it, but we'll see. I'm trying to convince him to take his camo escort, but it's all tucked away now because it is November and it's Scotland, so it's freezing cold, snowing and icy. But it'd be good fun. So try to convince him to go to that. Hopefully we go to that. that'd be a good laugh, and I've missed it obviously because I use the car at least once a month. I would say at least a race or a track day or something. And this is the first time I've done anything just like taking a major amount of time out for that. I've been up at Knockhill in December and I've went with the car doing track days in the past, so definitely missing it. Needing out basically. So try to convince him to do that. Hopefully he does it. He would have a good time as well. He just would. How can you not have a good time in a cosy? Oh, I'd like to show you inside the motor. Sorry about that. So I've just basically prepped it on and then stone guarded the engine bay and just painted the floor inside, and then Alistair can go through wherever he wants there, but it's all prepped ready just to be painted anyway. So that's the colour we've decided to go for. Alistair made the colour. What did you make the colour with? White and everything?
It's actually just black and white. Black and with a wee bit of grey in it.
So basically the perfect colour I was wanting, just a nice dark grey. Makes it look cleaner inside. So I ready to go. So that's the inside more or less all done. As you can see, that's obviously the colour we went for. We'll just give it 5 minutes and then that's us.
5 minutes we'll check it, and then any wee bits of this we'll get.
And then it's just the engine bay to go into, which is, I don't think the engine bay should be as bad, should it? The inside was deaf. I now have a newfound respect for painters. But definitely looking good, definitely so much happier with the colour than white. White just always looked dirty. So definitely happy with how it's looking at the minute. So that's engine bay and inside all done. It's looking awesome. Alistair's running away, but he was here helping. So over the moon with it, happy. It now looks a lot better than it did when it was white. And it's no rotten anymore. So I'm happy with it. Are you happy with it? You happy with it? Aye. So
Split the thumbs up from Al.
it's just the outside today, next just to decide what colour we're doing. Do the outside and then build it. And there's a track day in 2 weeks.
No chance.
We'll
If that's ready in 2 weeks, I will dance a jig naked on the roof, right?
Good. Aye. There's a track day in 2 weeks, we'll see. Are you taking yours?
Aye, probably.
18. So 18. We'll be at Knockhill, maybe the 2. Definitely the 1. Escort. Well, hopefully it's ready. We'll see what happens, but thanks for watching anyway.